Well, you can tell by the sawdust on the ground, that's about where I started. So I'm about halfway done when you zoom out. Still got that to do, but then this showed up yesterday. More sawdust to make. Good morning. The yard's starting to fill up. It's what, about mid-June. Some 14-inch here, ends here, half-cord crates. We got some seasoned 18-inch on order. We got some more 18-inch that we're doing there. This is campfire grade. This is the softer, less desirable parts of the punky logs that we split away. We usually end up burning that at the house ourselves. And here we have 16-inch. And further along, we'll get up there. This was split about, say, 3 weeks ago. As you can see, the color starts to change because this stuff here was split. When did that split? That was split in about January, February of this year. So yeah, we got 12-inch here, and this is 12-inch as well, but it's a special order for pizza wood. It's split small. No, face is 3-inch face or smaller. Gene is busy splitting. That means I gotta get busy blocking. Some more 16-inch overflow, and this is what's left to split. See you later.